Okay, question 21. Now, to answer this question, it actually helps to appreciate that certain fractions, when you convert them to decimals, are recurring decimals. So 1/12, for instance, is recurring because the decimal repeats. This is like 3 just keeps on repeating. And what's interesting is, right, if you think about 1/3, that's a recurring, isn't it? Because you've got 1/3 is 0.33333 and so on, right? Keeps on going. 1/6 is also recurring, right? 1/6 is 0.1666 and so on, right? 1/9 is recurring, okay? Because that is 0.11111, okay? And what I want you to notice, which will help with this question, is to appreciate, look at the bottom number here. They are all multiples of 3, aren't they? Yeah, that's 3, that's 2 times 3, that's 3 times 3. And even this one here, they give you, look, 4 times 3, okay? And they're all producing recurring decimals. So when the denominator, when the bottom number here, the denominator, is a multiple of 3, okay, or in the 3 times table, it will be recurring. So something important to note. So here then it says circle the fractions below that do not convert to recurring decimals. Now when I look at this one here, 2/12, 2/12, if you think about it, will simplify to be 1/6, won't it? Okay, that is actually this here, 1/6. When you simplify the top and bottom, you halve the top and bottom, you get 1/6. It's that. So that one is a recurring decimal, so we won't circle it. Okay, but it's 6 on the bottom. This one here, 3/12. Now when I simplify that, okay, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 12 4 times, so I get a quarter. Of course, a quarter, you know what a quarter is. Quarter is 0.25. 0.25, it stops. It doesn't recur. And the bottom numbers are 4, right? So, you know, it's not in the 3 times table, isn't it? It's not in the 3 times table as we see here on the bottom. So, it's a 4, and it stops. Quarter is 0.25, so we can circle it. 4/12, if you simplify that, you get 1/3. And of course, 1/3 is that there. 5/12, you can't simplify it. It's just going to be 5 of these, basically. It's going to be recurring, okay? And it's got 12 on the bottom. It's in the 3 times table. 6/12, 6/12, well, let's simplify it first. 6/12 becomes 1/2, okay? 1/2, isn't it? 6/12 is, and 1/2, of course, is 0.5. It's not recurring. Okay, so we can circle it. We'll circle that because it's not recurring. 1/2 is 0.5, and notice the bottom there. Of course, 2 is not in the 3 times table. 7/12, well, I can't simplify that. The bottom number is 12, so it's going to recur. 8/12, 8/12, I can simplify that. 4 goes into top and bottom. 4 goes into 8 twice. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So I get 2/3. 2/3. But 2/3, remember, it's going to be recurring. Okay, 1/3 is 0.3 recurring. 2/3 is going to be 0.6 recurring. 9/12, well, if you simplify that, you get 3/4. 3/4, of course, is not recurring, so I can circle that. 10/12, if I simplify that, I get 5/6. 5/6, which again will be recurring because of that. And 11/12, 11/12 is recurring again because of this, right? So it's out of 12, so it's recurring. So we've got 3 there that don't recur.